back to the channel and welcome back to another Shelby episode. Before I start this video, I do want to apologize for not posting for a little while, but we're gonna try to do better. We have these two projects to finish, and this video actually we are finishing the Shelby. What we're gonna do right now is take it to get the framework. After that, we're gonna start posting on that one, and then we do have another big project in the back, but I'm not gonna show it yet. Alright, this way a little bit. The frame is done on the Mustang, so I'm gonna go ahead, hook the trailer and go pick it up. But we just got here. There's one of the ramps and the second one is missing. Didn't even know that. Now we're gonna have to get the car on the trailer somehow. I just lifted the trailer all the way up, which means the bottom is sitting down. Nope, it's not gonna clear. Stop, stop. We are good to go. Had to take the bumper off because of scratching the trailer. So we just got back to the shop, but offloading this thing is gonna be a lot easier because I do have extra ramps. The car is back over here at the shop. So what the framer did is put a new apron. Of course, this is gonna be painted. And then another body work was done over here. This little corner was pushed in a little bit. Everything got pulled out. Now, a little bit of Bondo primer, spray that. Little touch-ups like that, everything is gonna get done. But for now, we want to install the fenders, the bumper, that way we can drive this thing to a paint booth or whatever. Alright, so the bumper is on. We're actually installing everything right now just to see how everything fits, but obviously everything's gonna come out. Not everything, but some of the parts to get the body work done. We just got the car back from the paint booth. This part over here got painted. This door because of some damage from the fender. As you remember, the bumper, fender, the hood, we bought a color match, and the door. There was a dent over here, pretty big, that got fixed, and all this got painted. Everything looks brand new. Brand new oil cooler installed. So basically everything is good to go. We're gonna start with like the plastics, the foam over there, fender flares, and then when everything is plugged in, installed, we're gonna go ahead and throw the bumper. We do have everything. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw the bumper. Everything's plugged in. That goes on to the fog lights, which is over there. Good thing that we keep all the bed parts, everything that's damaged, we still keep, because installing that one, we needed a lot of clips, and we pulled out of the bed parts, and now we're good. We don't have to buy anything. And she's complete. Gotta clean this thing really good and buff. After that, we have the Shelby stickers. Airbag is in, a little dusty. Right, there she is, complete, nice and clean. Next thing what we're gonna do is throw the stickers on. We got the black stripes and the red that goes on the side. It rained yesterday, it's raining right now, and it will rain tomorrow. As you guys see, the car is complete. I really want to finish this video today and post it tomorrow, so we have no choice just to like go and film in the rain. I couldn't find other guys, so my kid is gonna be filming. I hope he's gonna film the burnouts and not looking at the phone. Oh, I forgot to turn it on. So we're gonna take this thing outside and go do some burnouts, but I gotta go like who knows where. There's a private road, that way it's safer to do our burnouts. Just to show the car a little bit, you guys pay attention on those gaps. Obviously this thing didn't have a frame damage, so the gaps should be perfect. And we did buy the original Shelby hood, bumper and fenders. Color match, we didn't have to paint. The only paint job was on the inside the frame a little bit, this door. Nothing was done in the back except the Shelby stickers and we tried to do it same as original, that's why there is no sticker over here. It kind of runs down on the bumper, goes on top of the spoiler, the trunk, the roof. So right now it's a little cloudy, you can't really see the two black stripes, the matte black, but they're there. On the sunny day they pop out really good. Well, look at that thing. That is a nice car, man. I don't know if you guys can hear me good or not. It's crazy windy right now, but you don't need to hear. All you have to do is just look at it. Look at it. Very nice, comfortable seats. It does have to be detailed a little bit. It's a little, I mean, we did clean up the car. It's just working on it. It got dirty again with this rain that we have this week. Man, I hope we're not losing the phone because all the videos are over here. Right guys, that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for the Ranger and then another build. I still didn't show you guys what build, but it's a big one, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, I'll catch you guys later.